In this video, I'm going to give you 7 ways that you can start making money online with zero investment. All right, there is no secret. There are tons of ways to make money online, but to be honest with you, a lot of these ways do take some sort of investment. But the good news is there are several ways that you can start making money without no money. So let's jump straight into it. All right. The first way that you can start making money online with zero investment is freelance work. All right. Now there are tons of sites out there right now where you can go sign up as a freelancer and start getting gigs. So if you got any kind of skill, you probably can get paid as a freelancer. So if you are good at writing, video editing, transcription, graphic design, even coming up with ideas, you can get paid as a freelancer. So like I said, there's tons of sites out there. All you need to do is do a quick Google search on top freelance sites, right? That's where you can get like a big list of places that you can start signing up to. Now, 2 of the biggest freelance sites out there that a lot of people use and make some decent money on are Fiverr.com and Upwork. So you can start with those 2 sites right there. Now, a second way that you can start making money online with zero investment is one of my favorites from back in the day, and that is eBay. All right, eBay been around forever, and I don't see a lot of people talking about it like they used to, but guess what? People still making money being an eBay seller. Now, like I said in previous videos, if you have no money, getting started with eBay, all you gotta do is just look around, right, for things to sell, right? Things you don't use no more, things you don't want, or maybe you do want it, but you just broke and you need some money, so you can post it for sale on eBay. The key with eBay, all right, is make sure you take good pictures. All right. I remember back in the day, I used to be on eBay all the time, like to buy stuff. And I see people post the crappiest pictures. I never understood. Like, you're really trying to sell this and you took a picture of something in the dark. You took a picture of something outside and it was nighttime. Like, come on, people. So the key with eBay, make sure you take good pictures and make sure you have very good titles, right? It's almost like YouTube. Like, make sure that the titles are descriptive but eye-catching. All right. So if you can do those things, you can start generating some money from eBay. Now, once you get rid of like everything that you don't want no more, you sold everything, you're like, well, I don't know what else to do. Well, first of all, you should have money now, right, to reinvest in your eBay. And what I mean by reinvest in eBay, you could actually get more stuff to sell on eBay by doing some simple garage selling. That's pretty much where you find like garage sales, or go to flea markets or even Facebook Marketplace. You buy things super cheap, right? Do your research, buy it super cheap, and then you can resell it on eBay. But for whatever reason, you still don't want to come out no money, even though you just made money on eBay. You can look on sites like Facebook Marketplace and even Craigslist, and a lot of times they have a free section on there, so you might get lucky and find some stuff for free and then post it on eBay. Now, a third way that you can start making money online without zero money is get paid to sites. Now this, I'm adding it, but this, you don't need no money for it, but you will need some time. But it's very, very easy. But, I'm just throwing it in here. But get paid to sites that'll pay you, for taking surveys, sites that'll pay you for trying out different products, sites that'll pay you for, playing short games and all that stuff like that. Now, here's the thing. If you sign up with 1 or 2 of these sites, you're probably going to make piss, right? But if you actually are into this and you're like, yo, I really need some money and I ain't got no money, you can sign up with like 10 to 15 of these sites, and you can, bring in, maybe $20, $30 a week. And that's if you really just like grinding on these sites. But you actually can start generating money from these sites, as tedious and minimal or minuscule as your earnings look on these sites, if you're doing it a lot, the money will add up. But you know, it ain't my favorite way to make money online. Fourth way that you can start making money online with zero damn investment is become a Kindle book publisher. Now, this is something that I was into a few years ago. I still got books that sell on Amazon. All right. And I made these books 5-6 years ago. So Kindle book publishing is real. All right. And it is a way to generate passive income. Now, when it comes to Kindle book publishing, obviously you need to have something to write about, right? So with that, you want to do your research, you know, see what's popping on Kindle, right, for selling things, and you want to create a Kindle book. Now, some people might be like, man, what are you talking about? I can't write. I don't want to write, you know, blah, blah, blah. Well, if you don't got nobody to write for you, which you probably don't because you broke, you want to actually just keep it real simple. Write, you know, do your research on the subject, right? After you figure out what you want your Kindle book to be about, and just keep it simple. You want to make chapters. So you want to come up with 10 different topics, right? You know, related to this niche or whatever you're doing, and write 10 different topics down that you want to touch on. And guess what? Those 10 things represent 10 chapters of your Kindle book. Now, at that point, you just need to fill in the blank, right? Write, you know, 4 or 5 paragraphs on each subject and publish it. It's that simple, guys. You can start by using your Microsoft Word or your what's the other one I use all the time and I always forget, Open Office. All right, you can write it in Open Office. At that point, you can format it for Kindle, right? And then you can design your Kindle book cover on a free software, right? Free. You can use PicMonkey or Canva. And they actually even have like Kindle book cover templates that you can use for your book. So obviously I can't teach you all of the steps in this video, but if you are interested in becoming a Kindle book publisher, just do a YouTube search on how to publish a damn Kindle book. A fifth way to start making money online with no money is to become a social media manager. Now this can be big money. All right, a lot of people are doing this. I mean, there's people out there quitting their jobs and doing social media managing full time. Now this is some work. It'll take a little bit of go-getness, right? Is that a word? Go-getness? I just made that up. But you got to be a go-getter, right, to make this happen. But you definitely can. So you can even start with your local area, wherever you at. All you need to do is approach local businesses and see if you can manage their social media platforms, whether it be Facebook, Pinterest, their TikTok account, their YouTube channel. There are businesses out there that hire people to do this for them, despite what you may think, oh, I don't have a degree or nothing like that. Businesses just want to know you can do the job. You do not need a degree to be a social media manager. You really don't. It's just a matter of you knowing the platforms, right? You need to know how to post on Facebook and Pinterest and TikTok and YouTube. You need to know that. And Instagram, I forgot Instagram. You need to know that, right? And then come up with some packages, right? And then present them to businesses and be able to share with them the benefits of posting on social media and let them know how you can increase their engagement, blah, 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 blah. This can be a dope side hustle that turns into a huge business. All right, a sixth way that you can start making money online with no money is affiliate marketing. All right, affiliate marketing, that's my thing. That's what I love. Man, affiliate marketing. Maybe you heard of affiliate marketing, maybe you haven't. But if you haven't, basically affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product or services, and every time you generate a sale, you earn a commission. Now, this day and age, you can damn near be an affiliate for anything. So if you have an interest in sports or relationships or money, whatever, like, you can find a program to be an affiliate of and start promoting that and earning commissions. Now, I would say 98% of affiliate programs are free to join. All you need to do is sign up to be an affiliate and then have a marketing strategy, right? Because once you become an affiliate, you get this affiliate link. Now it's your job to go out there and promote that link and generate sales. But affiliate marketing is one of the easiest things to get into, and it can be one of the most profitable ways to make money online. And you can start with zero cash. Last but not least, the 7th way that you can make money online with no money, and it's right here, baby. Look around. It's YouTube. All right. Everybody is hopping on YouTube these days. There's so many ways that you can make money just by being on the YouTube platform. And yes, it is free to get started. All right. So you can actually combine some of the other methods that I talked about in this video and actually use it on YouTube. So one of the most known ways to make money from YouTube is from YouTube ads. But if you're into YouTube at all, you would know you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and I think 4,000 watch hour time, whatever, for you to get monetized. Now, a lot of people can go out and do that, and you can do that. You know what I'm saying? If you got time, you can, just start producing videos for free, start uploading them, build up your subscription list, build up your watch time, and start generating money from YouTube ads. But you don't got to wait for that. Why not make videos promoting those affiliate products that I just talked about, right? Promote the affiliate products. Why not promote your social media manager business? Create videos about being a social media manager, or produce videos giving tips, for local businesses, right? You can build up watch time, get subscribers, and then get monetized, but it's all good because you already making money from your channel. Plus, if your YouTube channel get popping, you can always get brand deals and other collabs and all kinds of stuff that can bring in even more money. If you play your cards right, you can make money from YouTube and never really come out any money. There you have it. Those are 7 ways that you can start making money online with zero investment. Wait, what if you do have a little bit of money to invest? What if I could show you how to turn $4 into over $5,000 a month? Want to find out how? Watch this video right here, right now.